everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while that I have not uploaded explanation videos. So today I am going to explain about the process of respiration. So let's start. What do you mean by respiration? See, when you hear the word respire, you probably think of breathe. You taking in oxygen with each inhale. Inhale means taking in air and releasing carbon dioxide with each exhale. So here you taking rich air oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So this is the process of respiration. Here let's study in detail. With the help of this diagram I will explain the process of respiration in detail. So let's start. Human beings, air is inhaled into the body through the nostrils. So, we are taking the air with the help of the nostrils, and through the nostrils, the air passes to the throat and it goes to the lungs. Here, we are taking the oxygen rich air and it is passing through the nostrils and it goes through the throat, and finally, it is going where? It is going into the lungs. Further, there are rings of cartilage present in the throat. These rings ensure that the air passage doesn't collapse. And next, within the lungs, the passage gets divided into smaller and smaller tubes. Finally, terminate in balloon-like structure known as alveoli. Maybe you all are thinking about what is alveoli. Alveoli is nothing, just it is a tiny air sacs which is present at the end of the bronchioles. And these alveoli are where the lungs and the blood exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of breathing in and breathing out. Then the blood on the other hand brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body for release into the alveoli and oxygen in the alveolar air. Next, about the diaphragm. It is a muscular partition which separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. When we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts, due to which the chest cavity expands, and oxygen is inhaled. When we breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes, due to which the chest cavity contracts, and carbon dioxide is released out into the air. So this is the process of respiration. I will explain this process in a very basic form once again. Firstly, we are taking in oxygen-rich air through the nostrils. And through these nostrils, the air passes through the throat and goes to the lungs. Further, there are rings of cartilage present in the throat, and these rings ensure that the air passage doesn't collapse. And within the lungs, the passage gets divided into smaller and smaller tubes, which finally terminate in balloon-like structure known as alveoli. These alveoli provide a base on surface where the exchange of gases can take place, and on the other hand brings carbon dioxide from the rest of the body for release into the alveoli, and the oxygen in the alveolar air is taken up by the blood in the alveolar blood vessels for further transportation to all the cells in the body. So during breathing we take air into the lungs and through the nose and then expel it. Taking in oxygen rich air into the body during breathing is called inhalation. So the taking in oxygen rich air into the body during breathing, this process is known as inhalation, and giving out carbon dioxide is called exhalation. Both the process takes place regularly during breathing. So this was all about the process of respiration.